is equal to minus 5 means it's a line parallel to the y-axis. Therefore, the axis of the parabola is x-axis and the equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. Suppose if it is symmetric about the y-axis, then the equation of the parabola is x square is equal to 4ay or x square is equal to minus 4ay. The directrix is x is equal to minus a is minus 2. Focus is a comma 0, 2 comma 0. Ends of lattice rectum a comma 2a, 2 comma 4. Another one is a comma minus 2 is 2 comma minus 4. That's it. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of Basic Maths Revision class. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session, I am going to discuss regarding the simple chapter, that is Parabola. Chapter number 16, Parabola in Basic Mathematics. In this section, I am going to discuss regarding 1 mark, 2 marks and 3 marks. So usually, you will expect one mark question, 2 marks 1 question and 3 marks question from this concept. Right. Now move on to the 1 marker question first. Now find the length of lattice rectum of the parabola 3x square plus 8y is equal to 0. Just recall the equation of the parabola in the different forms. So you might have been studied the equation of a parabola is in the standard form. This is x-axis. So y square is equal to 4ax is the equation of the parabola in the standard form. The axis is x-axis. Suppose if it is like this, y square is equal to minus 4ax is the equation of the parabola. So, a parabola opening right, another parabola opening left. So, equation of the parabola opening towards right is y square is equal to 4x and the left is minus 4ax. Right. Now, suppose if the axis is changed, if x-axis and y-axis are interchanged, then you are going to get a parabola. This is a parabola. So x square is equal to 4ay, the parabola which is opening upward, and similarly this is downwards. X square is equal to minus 4ay is the parabola opening downwards. So these are the different forms of parabolas opening left, right, up and down. Now based on this, let us discuss the problems. Now move on to the first problem. What is the problem? Find the length of lattice rectum of the parabola. What is given? 3x square plus 8y is equal to 0. 3x square plus 8y is equal to 0. 3x square is equal to minus 8y. X square is equal to minus 8 by 3 times y. Minus 8 by 3 times y. Now, comparing with x square is equal to minus 4ay. So, this is the standard equation. Now, what is this? Minus 4a is equal to minus 8 by 3. So, therefore, a is equal to 8 by 3 by 1 by 4, that's equal to 2 by 3. A is equal to 2 by 3. Now, what is to find? Find the length of lattice rectum. So, the length of lattice rectum is given by, so the length of lattice rectum is always equal to 4a. Length of lattice rectum is equal to 4a. This is 4 into a is 2 by 3, that's equal to 8 by 3 is the length of lattice rectum. That's it. 1 mark. Okay. Now move on to the next problem. If the length of lattice rectum of the parabola square is equal to 4k, y is 8, find the value of k. Now what is given? Compare with x square is equal to what is given? 4ky. Comparing with x square is equal to 4ay. Here 4a is equal to 4 times k. So therefore a is equal to k. Just if the length of lattice rectum of the parabola is 8. So what is given? Length of lattice rectum is equal to 8. That means 4a is equal to 8. So 4 into what is a? A is k is equal to 8. Therefore k is equal to 8 by 4. That's equal to 2. The value of k is equal to 2. That's it. Value of k is 2. Hope you followed. Okay, 1 mark. Now move on to the next problem. So 2 marker question. Find the equation of the parabola with focus 0, minus 3 and the directrix y is equal to 3. Now what is given? Given the focus is 0, minus 3 and the directrix is y is equal to 3. Directrix is y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 means here this is x-axis, y-axis. Y is equal to plus 3. Plus 3 means this is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. This is the directrix. Y is equal to 3. That means a parabola which is opening downwards. This is the equation of the parabola. Now what is the standard equation of the parabola? This is nothing but x square is equal to minus 4ay, right? So therefore the axis of the parabola is y-axis. Axis is y-axis. So it is in the y-axis. Now equation of the parabola is of the form x square is equal to minus 4ay. What is given the focus? Focus S is nothing but 0 comma minus a. So therefore a is equal to 3. Now substitute, that's it. So directrix is y is equal to 3 means the equation of the parabola is x square is equal to minus 4ay. So therefore the required equation is x square is equal to minus 4 into what is a? A is 3 into y, that's equal to minus 4 is a 12y. So therefore the equation of the parabola is x square is equal to minus 12y. That's it. X square is equal to minus 12y is the required equation of the parabola. Now move on to the next problem. Find the focus and equation of directrix for the parabola x square is equal to minus 16y. This simple problem. So what is given? X square minus 16y is equal to 0. X square is equal to 16y. So comparing with, if we comparing with the standard equation, this is of the form x square is equal to 4ay. Now what is 4a? 4a is equal to 16, therefore a is equal to 16 by 4 is equal to 4. Now what is to find? Find the focus and equation of the directrix. So therefore the focus S is equal to focus x square is equal to 4ay. So the focus is 0 comma a. That's equal to 0 comma 4. And again what is to find the directrix of the parabola? Directrix means directrix is equal to y is equal to minus a. So that is y is equal to minus 4. That's it. So here a is equal to 4. There the focus is equal to 0 comma a, 0 comma 4, and the directrix y is equal to minus a, that's equal to minus 4. That's it. Now move on to the next problem. Find the equation of the parabola given that the vertex is 0 comma 0 and the directrix is minus 5. So we have to form the equation of a parabola given the vertex is the origin 0 comma 0. Equation of the parabola given that vertex is 0 comma 0 and the directrix x is equal to minus 5. Now what is given the directrix? Here this is the parabola, x-axis, y-axis. So x is equal to minus 5 means this is x is equal to minus 5. Here is the directrix, x is equal to minus 5. So this is the parabola, that is y square is equal to 4ax. The vertex is 0 comma 0 and the directrix is x is equal to minus 5 means it's a line parallel to the y-axis. Therefore the axis of the parabola is x-axis and the equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. Now y square is equal to 4x is the standard equation. So directrix is equal to minus 5 means this is minus a, therefore a is equal to 5. So substitute here. Equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 4ax, that is nothing but 4 into 5 into x, that's equal to 20x. So therefore the equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 20x is the required. That's it. Now move on to the next problem. Let us discuss 3 markers question. Now find the focus, equation of directrix and the coordinates of ends of lattice rectum for the parabola y square is equal to 8x. This is a simple problem. What is given? Given that y square is equal to 8x, comparing with the standard equation y square is equal to 4ax, 4a is equal to 8, a is equal to 8 by 4 is equal to 2. So therefore a is equal to 2. Now one by one find the directrix. The directrix x is equal to minus a, that is x is equal to minus 2. Now second one is the focus. Focus S is equal to a comma 0. So that's equal to 2 comma 0 is the focus. Focus, equation of directrix, coordinates of ends of lattice rectum. Coordinates of ends of lattice rectum means, so ends of lattice rectum, that is L is equal to a comma 2a, that is 2 comma 2 into 2 is 4, and L dash is equal to a comma minus 2a, that's equal to 2 comma minus 4. That's all. So since the given equation is in the standard form, y square is equal to 4ax, comparing with 4a is equal to 8, a is equal to 8 by 4, that is nothing but 2, a is equal to 2. So therefore the directrix is x is equal to minus a is minus 2, focus is a comma 0, 2 comma 0, ends of lattice rectum a comma 2a, 2 comma 4, another one is a comma minus 2 is 2 comma minus 4. That's it. Okay. So if you solve this much, definitely we will get a 3 marks. So focus, equation of directrix, coordinates of ends of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum is 4a, that's equal to 8 itself. Now move on to the next problem. Find the focus, equation of directrix and the length of lattice rectum for the parabola x square plus 16y is equal to 0. Same. Now this x square plus 16y is equal to 0 can be written as x square is equal to minus 16y. Now this is of the form comparing with x square is equal to minus 4ay. So minus 4a is equal to minus 16, a is equal to minus 16 by minus 4 means 4, a is equal to 4. Okay. Now what is to find? First, focus. Focus S is equal to 0 comma minus a. This is 0 comma minus a is 4. 0 comma minus 4 is the focus. Next, equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. So since this is x square is equal to minus 4ay, the equation of the directrix is y is equal to a. So that is y is equal to 4 is the directrix. Then what is to find? Length of lattice rectum, LLR. Length of lattice rectum is equal to 4a, that is 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Length of lattice rectum is 16. Focus, equation of directrix and length of lattice rectum, that's all. So here the focus is 0 comma minus 4, equation of directrix is y is equal to a means y is equal to 4 and the length of lattice rectum is 4a, 4 into 4 is 16, that's it. Okay. Now move on to the next problem, 8. This is an important question. Find the equation of the parabola given that the vertex is 0 comma 0 and passing through the point 1 by 2 comma 2 and symmetric about the, so here this is symmetric about the y-axis. So suppose if it is symmetric about the y-axis, symmetric about y-axis. Now let us assume if this is symmetric about the y-axis, what is given? Vertex is equal to 0 comma 0 and passes through the point 1 by 2 comma 2. Since if it is symmetric about the y-axis, therefore the equation of the parabola is x square is equal to 4ay or x square is equal to minus 4ay. Suppose if it is symmetric about the y-axis, then the equation of the parabola is x square is equal to 4ay or x square is equal to minus 4ay. Now what is the point given? Since it passes through 1 by 2 comma, that is both are positive, that is in first quadrant. It is in first quadrant. So if it is in first quadrant means the equation it is in the first quadrant means it is in upward direction. Upwards direction. So therefore the equation of the parabola is x square is equal to 4ay. Now just very simple, substitute the value of x and y as x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 2 in the standard equation, get the value of a, again substitute in equation number 1 itself. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Now since it passes through 1 by 2 comma 2, put x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 2 here. So 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 4a into y is equal to 2. So 1 by 4 is equal to 4 2s are 8a. So cross multiply it. So this is 1 is equal to 32. A, therefore a is equal to 1 by 32. A is equal to 1 by 32. Now substitute here. What is the equation? X square is equal to 4ay. Put x is equal to 1 by 2. Y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. Right. Now then this becomes 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 4a into 2. 1 by 4 is equal to 8a. This is 1, cross multiply. 1 is equal to 8a into 4, that is 32a. So A is equal to 1 by 32. Now put A is equal to 1 by 32 in 1. What is equation number 1? This is equation number 1. X square is equal to 4 into A is 1 by 32 into Y. Cross multiply it. Therefore, 32x square is equal to 4y, or 32x square minus 4y is equal to 0 is the equation of the parabola. That's it. This is how we are going to solve this problem for 3 marks. Hope you followed, right? If it is possible to divide, you can divide it, or even you can also divide by 4. What happens? 8. 8 4s are 32. 8x square minus y is equal to 0. This is also the correct answer. 8x square minus y is also equal to 0. Now move on to the next problem. Find the equation of the parabola given that the vertex is 0, 0 and passes through the point -1, -3 and symmetric about the y-axis. Same as that of the previous problem, but the point is -1, -3 means it lies in the third quadrant and the axis is y-axis, symmetric about the y-axis. Now write down what is given. Given vertex is equal to 0, 0 and the point, what is the point? -1, -3 and symmetric about the y-axis, symmetric about y-axis. Now this is x, y. So point is minus and minus, means it is in third quadrant. This is in third quadrant, right? So the point lies in the third quadrant. Since it is symmetric about the y-axis, therefore the equation of the parabola is x square is equal to 4ay or x square is equal to minus 4ay. Now since it is in third quadrant, so it is, since the point is in my point P -1, -3 is in third quadrant, so therefore the equation of the parabola is downwards parabola. So therefore the equation is nothing but x square is equal to minus 4ay, equation number 1. Okay. Now since it passes through, what are the point passes through? -1, -3, put x is equal to -1, y is equal to -3. -1 whole square is equal to -4a into y is -3. 1 is equal to minus into minus plus, 4 3s are 12a. Therefore a is equal to 1 by 12. A is equal to 1 by 12. Okay. So substitute here. Therefore the equation of the parabola is what is the equation of the parabola? X square is equal to minus 4ay. X square is equal to minus 4 into what is a? 1 by 12 into y. So that is x square is equal to minus 4 3s are 12. That is 1 by 3 times y. Or you can write x square is equal to minus y by 3. This is the parabola. Or if you want, you can cross multiply. 3x square is equal to minus y, or 3x square plus y is equal to 0 is the required equation of the parabola. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay. So the equation of the parabola is 3x square plus y is equal to 0. This is how we are going to solve the problems depending upon the given condition. Vertex, axis, symmetric about x-axis, y-axis, focus, radius, rectum. So based on the given point, we are going to solve the problems, right? Hope you followed. All these type of problems are very important for the point of examination. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.